Speaker, sir, there is a fear and anxiety in the mind of the people of Goa, as some unnecessary activities are being carried out frankly in the church property at the front piece of old church at Ruya Iskro de Maria Sankwal by some person from outside our state of Goa. It appears that there is a move to create communal tension in Goa. We Goan are peace-loving and have been united for many years in brotherhood and friendlinity. Requesting the Honorable Minister for Home to please take serious action against this person and ensure that such activities do not take place at the front piece of the old Goa Church Sankwal and whole of Goa in the future. Speaker sir, जी प्लेस आसा जी आमची सांकवाळ चर्च आसा जी प्रॉपर्टी जावन आसा सांकवाळ चर्चाची आनी ही जो फ्रंट पीस आसा तो आर्कोलॉजी और डिपार्टमेंट पळयता आनी
मेन्शन केलें तुमी
सर आमकां जाय हांगासर हे डिस्टर्बन्स जावपाक जायना इतलेंच हांव
स्पीकर सर नोटेड हांव पळोवपाक लायता.